Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic tzatziki. First, let's prepare our cucumber. You'll want to grate one large English cucumber or two smaller ones using the large holes of a box grater. Once grated, it's absolutely essential to squeeze out as much excess water as possible. You can use a clean kitchen towel or paper towels for this. This step ensures your tzatziki has a wonderfully thick and creamy texture, not watery. Next, let's focus on the creamy base. You'll need 2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt. The full-fat variety provides that rich, authentic texture we're looking for. Now, for the aromatic kick, mince 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic very finely. The amount depends on your preference for garlic intensity. Gently combine the yogurt and the minced garlic in a medium mixing bowl, ensuring it's well incorporated. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your thoroughly drained cucumber to the yogurt and garlic mixture. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill. This herb is absolutely essential for that classic tzatziki flavor. Finally, season generously with 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix everything until it's perfectly combined. Your authentic tzatziki is almost ready. Cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if you have the time. This chilling period is crucial as it allows all those incredible flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious taste. Serve your delicious homemade tzatziki as a refreshing dip, a flavorful sauce for grilled meats, or a delightful spread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.